Hello students, now we are going to see ninth standard social science history part unit 4 intellectual awakening and socio-political changes. இந்த டாப்பிக்கில் இருக்கக்கூடிய புக் பேக்கில் இருக்கக்கூடிய ஒன் மார்க் கொஸ்டின்ஸை பார்க்க போகிறோம். ஃபஸ்ட்டு ஒன்றா சூஸ் த கரெக்ட் ஆன்சர்ஸ். அதில் ஃபஸ்ட்டு கொஸ்டின் 1. ஐடென்டிஃபை த ஃபவுண்டர் ஆஃப் எ நியூ செக்ட் ஹூ எக்ஸம்பிளிஃபைடு சிம்பிளிசிட்டி அண்டு செல்ஃப் டெனைல் அப்படின்னா ஆன்சர் A. Buddha. Answer Buddha. Second one, the Magadha king influenced by the teachings of Mahavira. Answer C. Bimbisara. The Magadha king influenced by the teachings of Mahavirana. Answer Bimbisara. Next question. Third, the northern India extended from the Kabul valley in the north to Godavari in the south witnessed the rise of 16 states. Answer A. Magajanapadas. Answer A. Magajanapadas. Fourth one, three Ratnas are the three principles taught by. Answer B. Mahavira. Three Ratnas are the three principles taught by B. Mahavira. Fifth one, the account which throws light on Mauryan polity and society. அப்படின்னா answer C. Megasthenes. The account which throws light on Mauryan polity and society. Answer Megasthenes. Sixth one, under the Magadha king, the Mahamatriyas functioned as secretaries to the ministries. Two accounts of Megasthenes titled Indica is a useful record about Mauryan polity and society. Third one, Nanda's attempt to build an imperial structure was cut short by Ashoka, who founded the Mauryan kingdom. Fourth one, according to tradition, towards the end of his life, Chandragupta became an ardent follower of Buddhism. Answer B is the correct answer. 2 is the correct answer. 2ல என்ன இருக்கு? Account of Megasthenes titled Indica is a useful record about Mauryan polity and society. Next, fill in the blanks. Dash is collection of sacred literature of different epochs containing prayers, confessions and myths. Answer Zent Avastha. Answer Zent Avastha. Second one, in the Gangetic Plains, Dash agriculture record the use of bullocks. Iron pluck. In the Gangetic plain, Dash agriculture record to use of bullocks அப்படின்னா iron block. Third one, Jains believe that Dash came in a long line of Tirthankaras and he was the 24th and the last Mahavira. Jains believe that Dash came in a long line of Tirthankaras and he was the 24th and the last அப்படின்னா Mahavira. Fourth one, the place where Buddha attained enlightenment has been built into the Mahabodhi temple that still exists in Dash, Bodh Gaya. Answer Bodh Gaya. Fifth one, the rock edicts form the eligible source to know about the Mauryan Empire, in particular the dynamic rule of Ashoka. Answer Ashoka. Next, find out the correct statement. A. The introduction of bronze tools made easy the removal of the dense forest cover from the banks of the Ganges. B. Ajivikas had a small presence in western India. C. The clusters where particular clansmen were dominant came to be known were pre-Mauryan state. D. Of the kingdoms mentioned in the literatures of period Kasi, Gosala and Magadha are considered to be powerful. சரியான answer D. Of the kingdoms mentioned in the literature of the period Kasi, Kosala and Magadha are considered to be powerful. Second one, A. Ajatashatru was the first important king of Magadha. B. Bimbisara succeeded in establishing a comprehensive structure of administration. C. The Mauryas were the first of non-Kshatriyas dynasty to rule in North India. Nanda's attempt to build an imperial structure was cut short by Ashoka. இதில் வந்து ஆன்சர் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா பி. பிம்பிசாரா succeeded in establishing a comprehensive structure of administration. Next, match the following. An eightfold path. Answer, path to attain purest state of mind. Eightfold path அப்படின்னா path to attain the purest state of mind. 2. Bahubali, tallest Jaina statue. Bahubali tallest Jaina statue. Third one, the spring and atoms annals. Answer, a code of political morality. A code of political morality. Fourth one, Zent Avastha, sacred literature of laws and myths. Zent Avasthana, sacred literature of laws and myths. Fifth one, Rishabha, first Tirthangara. Rishabhana first Tirthangara. ஓகேவா? ஓகே ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ், இது உங்களுக்கு ஹெல்ப்ஃபுல்லாக இருந்துன்னு நினைக்கிறேன். இது யாருக்கு ஹெல்ப்ஃபுல்லாக இருக்குமோ அவங்களுக்கு ஷேர் பண்ணுங்கள். தேங்க்யூ.